Stop by and take a look at the 2022 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, adaptive cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.